Bitcoin emergence, it's finally happening, guys. It's pumping, guys. Right now the Bitcoin price is $22,000 600, guys. It's the price is already pumped. Fire shares trading the private list, you're already up 35%. Pretty good trade, guys. 420 profit on the trading recap today. Let me show you the trades I share in the private list. We trade Versari, Suco, Crypterium, Polytrade. Guys, take a look at this. How beautiful those charts. Price go flat, pump. Price go flat, pump. That's what we track in 24/7, guys. Volume spike plus buyer power. First trade we kept is Suco, guys. Take a look at this. Let me make this chart bigger, guys. Suco, right here. Take a look how many volume spikes you got here. Volume spike, volume spike, volume spike. So I shared this trade in the private list on 18. We bought this coin for 0.053 and you put a sell order up here on this line. It's 0.008. I made $60,000 in this trade, guys. $6,000. Okay. Next trade recap. It's guys, take a look at this primal. I'm sorry. This save it right here, guys. Polytrade, guys. I shared this trade in the private list on 18. We bought this coin for 0.072 cents, guys, and you put a sell order at 16, guys. $11,000 in my pocket. Okay, take a look at this. I'm gonna move this chart so you can see the volume moving. See this volume down here. Look how much they move. Oops, sorry. Pop, 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 pop. You don't see this volume is going on, guys, because it happened too fast. And they are 15 5 minutes candle. You can see there it's invisible. The only way you track those coins if you have a software like I do, tracking the market 24/7 by calculating volume spike plus buyer power. The software alert me before the pump. So what I do is I print screen my monitor and share my trades in the private list. So Trade Crypto members can follow my trades. Guys, same strategy. Crypterium, 175%. I made $17,000. I shared this trade in the private list on 18. We bought this coin for 8 cents, guys. And you put a sell order right here. And this big resistance at 23, 24 cents. Guys, I made 17,500. I just made $42,000 trade. The last trades. Oh, like I mentioned before, we focus in volume. Take a look at this volume: $77 million, almost $9 million, $18 million, 1.48. I just made $42,000. You can make the same profit I do if you follow my trades, okay? Crypterium, like I mentioned before, volume spike plus buyer power. When I shared this trade in the private list was 18, 2 days ago. I shared this trade in the private list right here, but I got a volume spike right here, guys. I put this sign here. You see these candles right here? You see the price start to spike a little bit. Take a look at this big candle giving the volume spark. Take a look at this number here. You're gonna be impressed. Volume spark from $138,000 to $800,000. The volume double, almost like 125% spark, guys. Huge returns. That's how I make money, guys. Everybody buy the same coin at the same time, price goes up faster, guys. Let's take a look here. Bitcoin is finally happening, it's going up. Don't worry, guys. I will let you know when should buy and sell Bitcoin. If you don't like to trade, we can trade for you. Feel free to reach me out, tradecryptotime@gmail.com. Also, you can text me. My phone number is in my head, okay? And you see all those coins, they just follow Bitcoins. Feel free to reach me out anytime. My name is Daniel. I live in South Beach, Miami. Thanks for your time and have a blessed day. Bye bye.